What's up? It's Kanye back here again for another video. Today I'm going to show you how to privatize all of your videos on your whole entire YouTube channel. But let's get into it. All right, so here we are on youtube.com. What you're going to do is come up to the top right to your profile picture. You're going to click on it and then go to YouTube Studio. Once you click on YouTube Studio, you're going to go over to the left and click on Content. Once you click on Content, you're going to go ahead and click on this little box right here at the top, this Select All. And then it's gonna have 30 selected, select all in parentheses. And what you're gonna do is click on select all. This means you just selected all of your videos on your entire channel. A lot of people do not know that that is an option. You don't have to go page by page to privatize all your videos. But once you do that, you click on edit and then you go to visibility. And then right here it says private, public, unlisted, whichever one you want to choose, you go ahead and click on it. And then you click on update videos. It may take 10, maybe 20 minutes, sometimes even 30 minutes to update all of your videos. But that is how to privatize all of your videos on your YouTube channel. If you have any questions, drop it down in the comment section down below, and then make sure you like and subscribe. And don't forget to take it easy.